our AI building constructor is just crazy. How did it turn these floor plan images that I took in a hotel in Switzerland like 4 years ago into a three-dimensional building model automatically with just single click of a button? How is that even possible? Let's dive in to take a look. For wireless network design, the whole how do I construct a building with all the walls and materials is the biggest time-consuming thing. And to make it better, we created a system that can not only detect objects from a floor plans, it can construct the entire building. Take this as an example. I just took pictures of the fire escape plan on this hotel from different floors, right? And not perfectly taken either. They're pretty terrible. And I named them with, completely cryptic names with different languages and stuff like that. Let's see what AI can do for us. Again, just these pictures that I dragged in now into this project. I'll go to align floors and I'll say auto construct building. Okay, so first of all, it already has, like, in a couple of seconds per floor, it figures out the walls, the doors, all of that, and you can adjust the materials and the wall segments. But this is pretty darn good as it is, right? So this helps in wireless network design already, and it uses our wall categorization algorithms and things of that nature. Now, what happens next is quite cool. So there's your one. Let's make this transparent. Oh, I need to go home, says my calendar. I'll go there in a second. Love you, wife. Here we go. I did nothing. I did not tell it which order the floors are on. I did not tell it how the floors are stacked on top of one another. I used skewed images of floor plans from the fire escape plans, and here's the entire friggin' building in its correct order, everything made properly. And these are the only photos I have from this unnamed hotel where we were in Switzerland like years ago. It's like 3 or 4 years ago, before Hamina on-site, for example, was even launched. It's done with a terrible camera, and this is the friggin' end result. It's just pretty crazy. Let's peel it to just show the third floor and below. And then you can start obviously designing the network, stuff of that nature. Like, it's quite unbelievable what AI can do just with pictures of the fire escape plan. Remember, the picture was just this. It was just this. How is it even possible? I don't know, but it is. Shipping today. Now I'm going home.